Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the different parts of computer system. A computer is a collection of various parts that work together. Yes, computer system consists different parts like input devices, output devices and processing unit, and these all are together work. Computer parts divided into two categories. First hardware and second software. Hardware. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that we can see and touch and can be moved from one place to another. Every hardware device has its own function. Hardware, like in the human body, there are different parts that outer parts of a body and uh, different parts, outer parts and inner parts. The outer parts of a body are visible like eyes, ears, hands, legs, etc. But the parts like brain, lungs, heart, which are inside the body and we cannot be seen. Similarly, in a computer, we can see the parts of the hardware that are outside. For example, monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. They are attached to the CPU by cables, and each hardware has a specific function. The hardware devices are further divided into three parts: input devices, output devices, and CPU, central processing unit. First, input devices. Input devices are the devices that used to enter data or give instruction to the computer system, like keyboard, mouse, light pen, etc. Now, one by one, we read about them. First, keyboard. Keyboard is the most common hardware component of a computer. It is an input device used to enter different kinds of data into the computer. It has number of keys like numeric keys, alphabet keys, arrow keys, punctuation keys, and special keys. By pressing these keys, data is entered into computer. Keyboard and mouse. Both are most common input devices. Now, keyboard keyboard has different types of keys. Number keys to type the number 0 to 9. Alphabet keys to type the letters A to Z. Arrow keys, these are four, and they are used to move up, down, left and right. Punctuation keys, these are used to type different symbols like plus, minus, at the rate. Next, special keys. Special keys are used for a special function. Backspace key, enter key, shift, control, space bar. These are special keys. And these keys, by pressing these keys, data is entered into the computer. To write the name, we use letter keys, alphabet keys, and any type of data. By using these keys, we can enter into the computer. Next, mouse. Mouse is a small input device which helps to give input to the computer by selecting or pointing objects and text. A mouse looks like, sorry, a mouse is a pointing device. It has two buttons and it is used to point, select and move any object or picture and text. When we move a mouse with our hand, a pointer on the screen move in the same direction. The mouse is connected to the CPU. There are different types of mouse like wired mouse. In wired mouse, it is connected to the CPU with a wire, and second is wireless mouse. Next, joystick. Joystick is the input device and it is used to play games on the computer system. Next, microphone. Microphone is used to record a voice or other sound in the computer. It is an instrument for converting sound waves into the electrical energy variations, which may then be amplified, transmitted, or recorded. Now, processor. Processor help us to calculate and solve all the problems which is given to the computer. For example, adding numbers or subtracting the numbers, etc. It is also known as CPU. Yes, this is the central processing unit and it is used its main functions to process the given data. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is the most important part of the computer as it does all processing work. For example, it does calculations, transfer data, and store the data. That's why it is called brain of computer. Yes, it is the most important part of the computer system. It is also known as the brain of computer because all the processing is done by the CPU. A CPU is made up of three main parts. They are memory unit. It is used to store data, and in the future a user can process or change it and again use for according to their requirement. Second is control unit. This unit control all the functioning of the computer.